Okay, bacha party. So let's learn about the property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. The property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. Getting? So what is given? Actually, activity you have to do this activity. You have to draw angle triangle picture, a triangle picture, and then you have to draw the bisectors, angle bisectors draw. So the point, you will get a point where three bisectors pass through the same point. Baga. Can you see? या ठिकाणी I हा point आहे. So here these three bisectors, okay, the three bisectors pass through the same point. That is why they are called as concurrent. So this is angle bisector PB. This is your QC. I think this is your RA, not RA. So this they pass to the same point. So this point is known as point of concurrence. This point is known as okay. This point is known as the point of concurrence, that is I. Point of concurrence, that is I. Note that the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Getting? Then पुढे जाऊया आपल्याला ती छोटीशी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे whenever possible we will do that. Don't worry. The property of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. Now first we have seen about the angle bisectors property, and then we will be learning about the property of perpendicular bisector. Here you can see, guys, in the first triangle, this is your triangle XYZ. This is your acute angle triangle. This is your acute angled triangle. Here, this acute angled triangle here is something that here if you say C, so the point hai na, this C, it is inside the triangle. And when you have the obtuse angle triangle, that you can do the CI, that is outside the triangle, that is outside the triangle. Okay, so the angle bisector of a triangle, angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent, and their point of concurrence is called as in center. It is called as in center, therefore it is given as I. Then it is shown as the letter I. It is shown by the letter I. And perpendicular bisector. Sorry. Okay, and the second is the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called as circumcenter. It is called as circumcenter. It is angle bisectors, right? And here you have perpendicular bisectors. Angle bisectors are the bisecting angles, and perpendicular bisector bisect the side line. Getting? So this point is called as circumcenter, and it is denoted by C. So by C circumcenter, I in center. C circumcenter, I in center. Getting? So now we'll move towards solving your practice set 1. What is given to you guys? Set practice set 1. Draw line segments. Actually, we did already. Draw line segments of the given lines and draw their perpendicular bisector. Getting? मी तुम्हाला already सांगितलं होतं करायला. I hope you did it. So what you need to do, guys? तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? 5.3 चा segment काढायचा आहे. Okay. See, 5.3, 6.7, 3.8. Suppose 5.3 चा segment आहे, that is your AB. Now you have to bisect it. तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहिती कसं करायचं bisect. You have to take, or you have to use your compass, and you have to make arcs like this, and you must erase करायची. Okay. So question 1 I think you can do, and question 2 पण तुम्हाला करता येईल. Question 2 तुमचं काय आहे तर angle bisector 105, 55 and 90. Getting? Try करा, प्रयत्न करा फटाफट. So question number 1 and question number 2 you can do. I have already told you the day before how to solve it. Now question number 3, draw an obtuse angled triangle and a right angled triangle. Getting? So you have to draw an obtuse angled triangle like this. Any कोणता काढा? I think you take better 100 किंवा 110 घ्या. Okay, 110 100 कुठला घ्या? An obtuse angle and a right angled triangle. अजून तुम्हाला घ्यायचं आहे a right angled triangle like this. Okay, right angled triangle. Find the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors and of each triangle. Sorry. Okay. तुम्हाला काय करायचं angle bisector काढायचं. If you see ऐसा angle bisector ऐसा जाएगा. Okay, इसका angle bisector ऐसा आएगा आपको ड्रॉ करना है. मैंने ड्रॉ करने वाला तीनों and here also. So this will be your in center. This is your eye. Height ISR. Getting? So here it is your eye. Now this angle bisector will go like this. The angle bisector of this will go like this. This angle bisector is जाएगा. All right. So this is your eye. Okay. So this point will be your eye. So असा डायग्राम तुमचा आला पाहिजे. माझा नीट येणार नाही because I do not have anything. So ऐसे आपका डायग्राम आना चाहिए. Question number 3 था. You have to draw the you can say you have to draw angle bisectors of all the angles, 3 angles. Getting? समझा? Next you have to draw question number 4. Draw a right angle triangle. तो right angle triangle draw करना हमें 90 degree का and draw the perpendicular bisectors of its sides. So perpendicular bisector we have to draw. So suppose this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. So AB का perpendicular bisector will go like this. ठीक है, अब आपको draw करना है. Then BC का perpendicular bisector will go like this, and AC का जो perpendicular bisector है that will go like this, right? So where does the point of concurrence lie? So ये जब point of concurrence है ना, this is your I नहीं C, circumference. So it lies on the side of the triangle. It lies on the side of the triangle or it lies on the hypotenuse. Okay? देखो, you can see point C को तो C नहीं बोलेंगे उसको. Now इसको थोड़ा सा अलग नाम देंगे. So this point, I use the this point. हाँ जो मतलब point है ना, this point. देखो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको green color से. This point is okay. So this point is generally what we say C, and it lies on the point. It lies on the side of the triangle. Okay, so you can ask actually. Take no problem. So here like this you can show the arcs. Actually मेरे पास कुछ ये नहीं है, so instruments नहीं, so like that. But you have to show your arcs like this. Getting? Here also. So ऐसे आर्क सबके हो जाएंगे. मेरे पास नहीं है, but now this is the way, or this is the final diagram. You can see. Okay, guys. So last question of your practice set one I get to one. I think so. Maithili, Shaila, and Ajay live in 3 different places in the city. Okay. A toy shop. There is a toy shop is equidistant from the three houses. Which geometrical construction should be used? So हमको सबको पता सब चलेगा यहाँ पे. मैथिली यहाँ पे रहती है. There is a Shaila here and Ajay lives here. Getting? तो इन तीनों के यहाँ पे है, तो हमें क्या करना है? If we draw the triangle, ऐसे अगर हम triangle बनाएंगे, then we have to show that this is equidistance है. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to ड्रॉ द एंगल बाइसेक्टर. क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? एंगल बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर the angle bisector of A, then you have angle bisector of S, and then you have angle bisector of M. So ये जो point है ना, the point I'll show you here. This point here is जो बीच में जो point है ना, this is the point where is the toy shop. तो toy shop कहाँ पे? ये point जो मिलेगा ना हमें, वहाँ पे आपका toy shop आपको मिलेगा. See, यहाँ पे आपका toy shop है. See, here is the toy shop. So we can give the point T. इसको हम नाम दे सकते हैं T. So this is your toy shop. So जैसे हमने ये question 3 किया था ना, same way you are going to do the question number 5. Getting? तो सबके घर से toy shop की जो distance है वो same है. It is an equidistant from the 3 houses, and there is you can say there is a toy shop here. Getting?